Hi, today we're working on 2014 Chrysler 300, and I do have getting a message the transmission shifter need to be served, and this is a very common problem with the 2014 and 2013 and Dodge and Chrysler, which is it's really easy to fix and replace, and it's not throwing any code for the transmission. It's only through the code with the shifter need to be served, which is they have a recall on it, but I don't want to wait at a dealership for 2-3 months to get the parts in order to get it replaced for me, and I'll be without a car. So what I did, I just went to the junkyard and I got the part I need, which is it's a used knob I'm gonna replace, and it's really easy to do it yourself at home. So just bear with me for a minute. I will show you how to do it, and everything will be easy to do. First thing, we turn off the vehicle and we start removing the knob. So easy, just pull. And over here we have a start screw, and of course we have a power tool, will be very helpful. It's one bolt only. Remove the housing for it, and you have to remove the top cover, but before you do it you have to open the door over here so it's not catch up to anything. And you have 4 bolts over here, 10mm, need to be removed too. One, 2, 3, and 4. You can get that part from eBay, junkyard, a used part shop. It's really not that expensive. It's from between $50 to $100 to avoid the dealer waiting time about 2-3 months to get the part in order. You have one wire over here attached to it only, so you use the clip, you push down and you pull at the same time. You have a hard time over here to catch it because I have the camera on. Put the camera down. I feel like it's something broke inside it. I don't know why, but I think it's just cheap part. So now we have to install this new one, the used one. Put it over here. This is part 2 of my video for installing new knob for my 2014 Chrysler 300, which was giving me a code, a message code. It says shifter service. So I got this from junkyard. Like, I think I paid $40 for it because I don't wait for the dealer to fix it for a couple months. So it's really easy to install the same way. So the first thing we do, we remove the top knob cover. Really easy on it because it's got the clips and you don't want to break any of them. So it's easy, you just pull. And next we'll remove the knob bracket in the top And again, if you have a power tool, that will be really helpful. Sit and easy pull. We do bring here, you put back the connector, lock, set it back over here. And one of the symptoms of the knob not working, or they give you a code, it's the knob lights will turn off. You can't see any light. That means it's something wrong with the whole unit. So only need to be replaced. You don't need to go to the dealer or you think it's something wrong with your transmission. So we put back the 10mm bolts. And again, I did this video because I tried to find a similar video to explain what's going on. I didn't find any video, so I decided to put this video to help other people have the same problem. Now, after we are finishing installing the new unit, we put the cover back first thing. Just a little hit. And we put back the bracket. Make sure you put it the right way. The bolt have to be in this side, not do it this side, but like this. Push in a little bit. We put back the star bolt. Sorry about that. Now the last piece we have over here to put will be the control unit for the knob. I decided to put, it's a new one, which is the used one I got from Junkyard, but I'm just gonna put my old one in it. It'll work, will fit for sure. Now we see right away, I don't know if you see it, but the lights came back on for the unit. I have no more message over here. If you see it, I'm gonna shift. Shift again. Shift again. Again. So that solved your problem, and you only need to get, again, an app from eBay or used part or Junkyard. It's only gonna cost you between a $40 to $100, because I saw some of them being sold on eBay for 90 bucks or 100 bucks, but that's gonna be save you time. Like you go to the dealer for recall, this car will be sit there for a month or two to order the part, and you don't want to see that message code every time you run your vehicle. So this is the easiest way. Thank you for watching, and I hope so my video was helpful for you guys.